Introduction to Machine Learning Engineering.
Machine learning engineers are tech professionals who design, build, and deploy intelligent systems using data and algorithms. This career blends computer science, statistics, and problem solving. Demand for machine learning talent is rising across many industries, making it an exciting and rewarding path for those eager to work with cutting-edge technology.
Build a strong educational foundation.
Start by gaining a solid background in mathematics, statistics, and programming. A bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or a related field is commonly required. Courses in algebra, calculus, probability, linear algebra, and programming languages like Python or Java will help you build the fundamental skills needed for a machine learning career.
Master key programming and data skills.
The proficiency in programming is essential for a machine learning engineer. Focus on learning Python, which is widely used in the field, along with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Develop strong skills in data analysis, data visualization, and data cleaning, as these are critical for building effective machine learning models.
Learn machine learning concepts and algorithms.
Deepen your knowledge of machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification, clustering, and deep learning. Study supervised and unsupervised learning, as well as model evaluation and hyperparameter tuning. Online courses, tutorials, and textbooks can help you systematically build expertise in these subjects.
Build real-world projects and gain experience.
Hands-on experience is vital. Work on projects using real datasets, from image recognition to natural language processing. Contribute to open source. Join competitions on platforms like Kaggle, or create your own portfolio. Real-world projects showcase your skills to employers and prepare you for the challenges of professional work.
Apply for jobs and continue learning.
Prepare a compelling resume that highlights your technical skills, education, and project experience. Network with professionals, attend tech meetups or conferences, and apply for internships or entry-level roles. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so commit to continuous learning to stay current and advance your career.